Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to adjust footer margin in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and you can see here I mentioned here the footer. So you can see the margin over here of the footer. So let's see to change the margin. Okay, I just drag and go to the layout tab. In page setup group, click on the margins drop down arrow, and here you can see the different normal, narrow and moderate. There are some default margin here set up: top, left, bottom, right. So all margin here are the set. Okay, but here I want to change only the footer margin, means bottom margin. Okay, for that go to the custom margins option, and you can see one page setups dialog box is open. In margins tab have option top, left, bottom, right. So I want to change only bottom, so I change here to bottom margin. Okay, so you can change with the arrow also. You can increase the margin with the up arrow, you can decrease the margin with the down arrow. Okay, see in the preview of this page here, the in bottom side only line 1 showing. When I change here the bottom margin, you can see here the changes. Okay, only one line and then some space showing here on this page preview. Okay, so and now when I change here, uh, I change here only 1 centimeter. Okay, see the changes over, only 1 centimeter bottom margin is showing. Okay, and after that just click on the OK, and I just drag below, see the changes over here. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.